tuned to this. E standard, come on. So, E major, you ready? All we're doing is taking, what? What are we doing? We're taking a G note. We're raising it to G sharp. E minor. E major. Pretty. Okay. So the E minor shapes were here. There was one here. And we're taking the G, raising it. So you got a 19, pull off to 16 on the high E, 17B, 16G. Up, pull off, up, down, down, down. Nice and slow. Next one, you've seen these. High E, 16 to 12. 12 on the B, 13 on the G. There's a bit of barring with these two. I don't know. Practice it going up. Practice it with the highest note going down. Or swap around and start with the lowest note. And the one after that is going to be ooh. So we've got a high E here at the 12. Pull off to 7. And then you've got two notes on the 9. Look, if you want to be uber crazy, you can always go like this. And I'm just using more fingers in this barred area to kind of separate the notes a bit better as opposed to rolling with your... I don't know, you know. That's pretty, if you can get that, go for it. So the next one's the octave. High E, 7 to 4. B is a 5. And G is a 4, which you've seen up here. And if you want to use the nut and be crazy, you've got high E4, pull off to open string, open B, and then a first fret G. Cool, there you have it. That is E major all across the neck. Those are E major arpeggios that Yngwie has more or less made famous. I remember hearing Too Young to Die, Too Drunk to Live on the radio when I was 14 or 15, and it was absolutely frightening.